Traders, welcome to the Bullish Bear FX Academy. So basically in today's video I'm gonna be teaching you guys about support and resistance. But before we even start watching the video, please do me a favor by hitting the like button and turning on the notification bell and subscribing, and after doing that you can comment below the videos that you want me to make or the lessons that you want me to teach you. So without more further ado, let's dive into the video. So what we have at the top is the resistance. What we have down is the support. So why do we call it the resistance? We call it the resistance because when the market is coming from the downside going to the upside, it gets resisted by your resistance level and then comes down, and then it gets supported by the support level to go to the upside to get resisted, or it can break out and then form something like this, and then we can go to the upside. We'll learn what to do when it breaks out to go to the upside, what to do since you're looking for selling opportunities, but it broke out. So when you see the market coming from the upside coming maybe to the downside, it comes and then it hits your support level, and then it leaves a footprint right there, and then it can create something like this. So at this point in time you would be looking at this area as your resistance level, but the market would come stop here and then come down. So you should know that it has formed a new resistance level and then come down, and then we have 1-2 touches on your resistance, which is making it 80% accurate, and then it will come back up, tap to that next resistance, and then here you would come and look for a correction, which is a reduced entry for you to actually take your trade. Coming down here, taking it, now we have 3 touches on the support, which is now confirmed that we're going for buys to the upside, right? And then here we know that we're coming for sales to the downside, create again the same thing, come down, take there, and then we can come break it because it's now becoming weak and weaker as it's being broken. So I hope you guys picked up something from this small illustration that I've done from the support and resistance. So now let's go down to the live chart so that you all can get familiar with it. So one thing you want to do when you come to the chart is that you want to zoom out so that you can see your resistance level and your support level, which is the strong zones. So in this scenario, so in this case, this is my support level, and I'll explain that in a minute once it's my support level. And I want to share a powerful detail in this video about gaps. So when you see that the market was supposed to come to a support level but then left gaps, just know that the market will come back to fill that gap. Take note, I repeat. So when the market was supposed to come to a support level or a resistance level, but then turned before it take that support or resistance level and then went back to where it was coming from and left a gap, something like this, it will come and fill that gap. So in this scenario, the market came down, filled this gap, but then it didn't break this support level. So it's coming down to come fill it. Okay. So this is my support level, and then my resistance level, I'll draw it from here, something that's again strong. So why is this my resistance level? We left the footprint here, came down, and then the market came down, broke back in, went here. So this was my it came here, it dipped here at this resistance level. So it came here and tagged this level, which is now the resistance, and then it started coming down. And then we created this small correction showing us that this is now a risk reduced entry, so the risk is reduced. And then if you take it from here, it's a risk entry because anything can happen. The market can continue pushing up. Like here, this was like a faker. If you're looking at the candles, you could have bought, and then something like this could have taken place because it's a risk entry. But in this scenario, came down, reduced the risk, and then it continued going down. So you could have gotten involved, as I was illustrating here, coming down, showing us this correction and then going down. So it's what's happening right here. And then we came again, and then we came back up again and take that resistance level, and then we came down, went slightly up, created what we call a V shape, which I'll be teaching again. So there are many lessons that you're going to be learning. So you will make sure that you comment, like, subscribe, and then and then you wait for more videos, which your support by liking and subscribing is actually gonna push my confidence as well to make more videos for you guys. So once we plot out support and resistance level, which is on the higher time frame, so on the daily 24 hours is 1 day, so we start from the daily, then we go down to the 4 hour, 1 hour, 15 minutes, 5 minutes. So I'll make a video teaching you about time frame and which time frame suit you. So I'll which time frame suit you because there are so many different time frames, so you can pick any that suit you. So here I'm seeing the market creating something like the market is creating something like this, going to the upside. This is just entry to go to the upside, but it's creating a double top. Why do I say that it's a double top? Let me delete this and explain everything. So I say that it's a double top and it's forming momentum to come to the downside. First of all, look at the candle momentum that it's forming. From here, it's just been dropping, and then look at this. This level has been respected with how many touches? 1, 2, and then there is a third touch that wicked out and then came back in. So we have 3 touches at the resistance level, showing us momentum to come to the downside. So let's go into the lower time frame to see what the market is showing us. So when I go into the lower time frame, I then see that okay, this level has been respected, so chances of it being broken are very low, right? So to confirm this more accurate, what I will do is that I will push my ray line back to see that why is the market respecting this area? Looking back, you'd see that before the market had these big push ups to the upside, the market corrected here and momentum was built here. So this level, it's a very, very strong level, and the market is now retesting that level before we go to the downside.